Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching from Samsung to Google Voice Typing on your Samsung phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Lots of people say that Google Voice Typing is much better than Samsung Voice Typing, and that it picks up a lot more of what you're saying. Follow these steps to switch from Samsung to Google Voice Typing. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down the settings and tap on General Management. Tap on Keyboard List and Default. Turn the toggle on to the right of Google Voice Typing. Tap OK on the pop-up. Then tap on Samsung Keyboard. Scroll down and tap Voice Input. Select Google Voice Typing. Your phone will now use Google Voice Typing instead of Samsung. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.